Hello everyone. Today we'll work on slicing of strings. So, for example, here I have a string. Let's first understand uh, these actions used for the string. For the string, the actions used in the square brackets and the number index to indicate positions of what you wish to grab. For example, here is a character. Here is a word, a hello, and these are the characters, letters, and index shows that it's addressing of the each letter. And if we want to reverse or if we want to fold, then it is folded like last address is -1 and -2 and -3 and -4 and 0. So in this way we can reverse or fold our string. Okay, what is slicing? Slicing allows us to grab a subsection of a multiple characters slice of a string. For example, a slice of a string. If you want to a small character, some characters want to grab from the string, so we can slice that string. And this has the following syntax. For example, first we give the start address, a stop address, and a step size. So start is the numerical index of the slice to start, and the stop is of course the last address of the string, and step size means how how many numbers you want to jump or you want to take skip from the given string. So let's do on our ILD form. Okay, this is the shell window of the Python in which we can work, and we will check that how the string works uh, when we work on the different slicing options. Okay, so first of all, for example, my string is equals to hello world. So I want to check the length of my string, so we can write len and then my string, and we can check the 11 letters are present in this string. 2, 4 space is also in we will count it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and D is 11. Okay. So in this way we can check the total number letters of our string. Okay. So if we want to check my string square bracket and 0 is the address of the first letter. So if we enter this, so we will get the H. H is the first letter. Similarly, for example, Alt key. In Alt key, we can check. For example, randomly I am placing here the address. So this 7th is actually the O. O in word. Okay. Similarly, for example, I can write -1. So minus will show the last letter of this sentence, D. So minus is the last letter. Address of the last. We can check by placing -1, or we can check placing, for example, if we place here 10. So 10 is the address of the D. Total numbers of in this sentence are 11. So 11 means 0 is also is a part of this series. 0 is also included in 11 numbers. So total last number is 10. So 10 is means B. We can call like placing -1 for the last letter, or we can place the last letter, address for the last letter. Okay, example, my string is equals to hello world. So my string is hello world. So length is, this length is lemon. Okay, for example, if I check here, I want to call the some part of the string. So I write here my string in square brackets, example 3 to onwards. Okay. So now we see here the from the hello world, first 3 letters are skipped. So 0 address, 1 address, and 2 address are skipped. And from 3 onwards, all the letters are printed here. So it means when we write any number before colon, it means that that particular address is part of the string that we want to call. Okay. Similarly, for example, if I write here colon 8, colon 8, so this means the before the 8th address, all the elements are printed. It means the last address 8 is not included to print the string that we want to call. So this address is not included. So this you must remember this. If we write first integer address and then colon, it means this address is included. If we write in any address after colon, it means the address is not included. Means here, you can check here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. At 8 is R, so R is not included here. Okay. Similarly, if we want to give the my string is example 3 to 8. So the particular address is here, is as a result as we given the command in the string in these brackets, square brackets. So for example, if we want to check the last letter, so we can write here my string. So if we want to fold, so we can write here colon colon -1. In this way, we can fold our string. So folding is also part of the different mathematical operations where we can use this type of slicing for folding our string. Okay. So if we want to take the some part of the string and by skipping the some letters, so we can write here my string square brackets. We can provide the first address, starting point, for example, the last point, and the step size. Step size, for example, here. So here we will check that it start from L, and there are skipping of the address because 2 is given, so it shows the one skip in the address. First it start from the L, and when it gives the step size 2, then it skips one address and then print the next coming letter and skip the 1, then print the next coming letter. Okay, we'll check here. For example, this was our the result where we placed 3 and 8. So we call this instruction again. Example 8, and we will place here 2 step size. So we know what it was. What was the result for 3 to 8? Here LO space and WO. So if we print this, so we'll check. It start from L and 2 step size, and O and space is and the last letter is printed. Okay. For to make more easy, I can write another string to show you. My string example is 2. My string 1, and it is A B C D E F G H I J K. Example, this is the string. So these are the alphabetics, and if we want to check, my string 1 is the letters, and what is the length of this string? Example, the length of this string. My string 1 is 11. 11 letters are in this string. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Okay. Now we will call the similar instruction. For example, we want to start from 3, and it goes up to 10th address, and 2 are the step size. 2 is the step size. Okay. Sorry, again I missed string. Actually, that string is the string 1, my string 1. So my string 1. So it start, if we check here, that it start from the D, letter D, and 2 is the step size, means the first address is skipped, and the last address is printed, and again G skipped and H printed, I skipped and J printed, and similarly. Okay, so in this way we check that the address are printed when we giving the step size. For example, if I increase the step size for 3, so we will check here the 2 letters are skipped from the each next printing letter. Similarly, if we increase, for example, this is the example 11th last letter, and this is, for example, maybe we can write here 4. So we'll check here the D and H are printed, and all letters are skipped according to given instruction. The next was the I and J, and the last letter was not included, and because as I have given tell you in the above uh, 4 commands. So this is how this works by the giving the first address, last address, and the step size. So in this class, we know about how we can find the length of the string, and how we can work on the string slicing. For if we have a string, then how we can call for the particular letters and our particular address, how we can fold the string, and how we can how we can skip the particular letters from our string. So thank you very much.